When an ad campaign is launched, there are thousands of decisions to be made. Which audiences? How much to bid? Is the creative working? Is too much money being spent too fast? AI can handle all those decisions and do it better than any human. Let's break down how AI helps marketers. The first stage in the life cycle of an ad campaign is planning. Instead of spending hours researching audiences, AI can analyze millions of data points and find the best customers automatically. On top of that, it can predict which ads will work and calculate exactly where to spend for maximum impact. During the activation phase, AI really shines. A human must preset manual bidding rules, which trigger thousands of bids every second. But this is not optimal. AI can evaluate every ad opportunity thousands per second and decide whether to bid and how much to pay. AI can find the most efficient routes to premium inventory and avoid sketchy websites that waste money. Once a campaign is in motion, AI helps with optimization. AI watches your campaigns 24/7, spotting problems before you do. It automatically serves the best ads to the right people and removes the need for manual A/B testing. And AI is much better than a human at budget pacing. AI can spread ad spend perfectly throughout the campaign. No more blowing your budget on day one. And finally, AI is incredible at measurement. AI can connect ad impressions to actual sales, showing which ads drove results. This is very useful for determining which audiences are actually worth the money. The bottom line is AI has removed the guessing from programmatic advertising and replaced it with precision. Every stage of a campaign can run using AI, and AI will deliver superior results.